Hello, this is Will from Will to Trade. You can check me out at willtotrade.com. You can go to the site, fill out the form, and get invited to a 2-week free trial to our chat room, willtotrade.com. We talk about stocks, obviously, that are moving, and I give alerts out in the room, and also make videos from time to time. I haven't made videos in a while, so today I'm making a series of videos on a bunch of different stocks that have all made some pretty exciting moves in the past day or two. So I wanted to make a video on ticker symbol COOL, C-O-O-L. This is a stock that I traded and a stock that I alerted on Thursday. Thursday it made a really big move, and I wanted to go over that move, how you would find it, how you would trade it, how you would draw your lines, etc., etc. So I also made a little notepad here, a list of rules for trading. 3 steps to making money trading. Want to keep trading as simple as possible so you all can really make some nice profits trading. There are really 3 steps. Just step number 1, you got to know what stocks to trade. Sounds simple enough, but if you know what stocks to trade, you're 1/3 of the way there. Step number 2, you want to know what price to buy. Again, sounds easy, but buying at the right price is very, very important. And step number 3, know which price to sell. Now, the type of trades you want to take are your breakouts, your groundhogs, and your retracements. Breakouts, of course, being the simplest, most straightforward trades. Groundhogs being a little trickier, and retracements being a little trickier as well. So we're going to focus mostly on the breakouts here, and the type of trades not to take would be the chop, the chase, the chatter, or even the crap. So we'll go over this here. So here is ticker symbol COOL. This was Thursday morning. It was gapping up. It doesn't really look that exciting on this chart here, but it was gapping up on some news, some pretty exciting news. And so we knew that COOL was in play. So we had step 1. We knew this was a stock we wanted to trade. Now, if you are new to trading, you can draw lines for pre-market. Absolutely. You can draw lines at the high of the pre-market. If it breaks the high of pre-market, go ahead and buy. If it pulls back to a point of resistance of the pre-market, you can buy there. But I think if you're brand new to trading, the best thing to do is just wait. Just wait for the market to open. Wait for a candle, wait for 2 candles, wait for 5 candles. Just wait and see what it does so you can get kind of an idea as to what these stocks are going to do. Now, if you're a really advanced trader, sure, you can jump in the first candle, first minute of the day. And sometimes if you're really advanced, you can buy and then sell within that very first minute of the day. That's a little more intense, it's a little more stressful. So I want to illustrate the most simplest way we can on COOL, keeping it very simple, how you would trade it, how you wouldn't trade it on Thursday. All right, so you're seeing it. Now you would probably open it up full screen and you'd say, you know what, this is a stock I need to watch. I need to watch this stock and to see what it does. All right, so let's fast forward minute by minute here. First candle, it's green, it's up, it's exciting. It's making a high at 487. Okay, all right, I'm interested. I still want to wait for one more candle just to see what's really going on here. And now we have one more candle here. Now this candle is really interesting because it's actually a red candle. But the other part that's interesting is that the top of these stems are almost the exact same position. So we're going to start drawing some lines here, okay? So we know that we're trying to get to $5. So I'll draw a line at $5. And we'll edit this. We'll make it 5, just 5 even. You could have 501. Some people like to buy the dollar plus a penny. And we'll even make a line here at the top of these stems, okay? At 486. Okay, we'll make this blue line. Now we're just waiting, okay? We want to wait just to see what it does. Perfect. Now, if you're at this place and you've waited, then this becomes perfect. Now, I can tell you the simplest, easiest place to buy is right between these blue lines. Now, it doesn't mean it's the absolute only place you can buy because there are some other places you can buy. And I'll go over those in just a minute. But to keep it as simple as possible, this is where you're going to want to buy after these candles here. You want to wait. You've had the patience to wait 3 minutes. It might seem like an eternity, but waiting is going to be really the best thing you can do. So now we have our next candle here. Okay, we're not quite up to the 480. Next candle here. Now, in this place here, it's a little bit choppy, not super choppy, but a little bit choppy. And again, until it's really broken out, you don't want to trade it. Some people may say it's flagging. It's not really flagging unless this candle was taller. I would call this kind of choppy. So you could buy right here at the 480, 486, or you could buy at 5. And I actually put an alert out in the room at 5 just to have safe confirmation. And let's see what happens. Bam, right there. So if you were really advanced, you could maybe buy as low as 475. So I'll put this line here, 475. Make it like a purple line here. If you were really advanced, because you're waiting for all this to happen, and you say, if we can push above this resistance level, I'll buy. If you're slightly more advanced, maybe you're going to buy right here at the 486. But if you're waiting for like full blown confirmation where it becomes like a guaranteed, obvious, yes, we've made a move up, $5 or even 501 becomes your absolute target entry. Because once you hit the $5, it starts making a move up. Now, once it starts making a move up, now you're going to want to draw some more lines. You don't know exactly where it's going to go, but you could draw a line and say 550 and at 6, just because they're even numbers. So we'll draw a line here at 550, and we'll make this a dotted blue line, place to sell, and then we'll make another line here at $6. Okay, let's go in here at 6, and this becomes another place to sell. Okay, so let's assume that you got in, right here in this candle. It's a great place to buy. Or you got in right here at this candle. You're getting in on this push up. You are anticipating to sell between 550 and 6. There's no exact science to it. I can't say you have to buy at this penny price. You have to sell at that penny price. But as long as you buy at the buying range, which I would say realistically is right here, and you can sell somewhere in that selling range, then you've made a profit. You made a nice profit. You made anywhere from a 50 cent to a $1 profit, or maybe even a $1.20 profit. So let's just take a look and see what happens. It starts to make a nice push up. It pushes up. It just touches that 550. It touches again, and then it pushes through it. You could either sell right there, wait, or sell right there. Now, this is the first move up, and I'm even going to go ahead and draw a trend line because you can see how clean this move is from here to here. It's a pretty clean move up, and as long as you have the patience and the confidence to hold from this move up, you're buying somewhere in here, you're selling somewhere in there, and then you're good. Notice it gets to 622. Now you would draw another line at, say, 623, 625. Let's just say 625. Just no absolute, but we'll just say 625 because we want full-blown confirmation. So what you would do is you would say, okay, great. I just traded a nice breakout right here. I bought in here. I sold in here. I made my profit. I'm going to wait for 625. If it gets back to 625, I will go ahead and buy again. And I'll even let me get rid of this purple line, keep it simple. And let's just see what happens. Now, as you can, now it's in the chop. So we'll zoom out and you can see here, we'll zoom out again. Now it becomes really obvious, right? So this is our clean move up. This is where we want to trade. This is a clean breakout. We're buying, we're selling, clean, easy, quick profit. Here is where a lot of traders can get tricked and trapped and say, oh, well, I missed this move up. Let me buy here for the push above. I think it's going to go to 7 or 750 or $8. So let me buy here at, 560, or let me buy here at the break of $6 again, because buying at the break of whole dollars is the right answer. And I'm anticipating my move to 7, 8, what have you. But realistically, the real continuation move doesn't happen until up here. It doesn't happen to 620, 622, 625. I would draw a line at 625. If it got to 625, sure, why not? I would buy back in again here and maybe sell at 640, 650, 660. But what happens is it fails to break out, it pulls back, and then it just chops. This whole section here is just chopping away. This is where we don't want to trade because it's all chopping. So we'll zoom out a little bit more. Now, you see it kind of flattens right here around the 450 mark. You could buy back in at 450, but I wouldn't recommend it. Let's just zoom out on the whole day here. Yeah, you can see this is a very clean move up. and then you could see, okay, sure, why not? I could buy when it pulls back to 450, and then I could sell up in here. But again, this is really choppy, really jagged. This whole region here is really where you want to stay away from, unless you're buying because you want to hold it for days or weeks or months, and you believe the stock is going to make big moves long term, which is a different strategy. You want to stay away from this from day trading. You want to jump in, jump out with clean moves up, such as this ramp up move. So I hope this video made sense. If it did and you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you love the video and you want to subscribe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you want to check out our room, just go to will2trade.com, fill out the form, and we'll get you all set up for a free 2-week trial membership. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend. See ya.